Welcome back for our final daily report market analysis video with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec. On Thursday, the 2nd of April, we're going to look at gold as my final chart of the day, and it is consolidating today. It's been choppy in the last few days, and anyone who reads my fundamental analysis on gold, which talks a lot about the correlations that gold has with the dollar, with yields, and also equities at the moment, we'll know that those correlations are sort of breaking down, or at least taking pause for breath. So subsequently, gold is going sideways, and on the technicals we can see that as well. That rally that we saw yesterday petered out at $1,600. You can see here on the hourly chart, $1,600, and it's not managed to get back above that today. And this slight downtrend scenario that we've got playing out with the momentum indicators on the hourly, RSI failing at 60, MACD lines underneath neutral. So there's a very slight corrective bias, but it's not really playing out as a full-on correction at the moment. And it'll be interesting to see if the market does begin to sort of build support, because I've been talking about this support band of 1553 to 1560. This sort of basing support band here, pivot lines and base pattern necklines and all sorts. So a nice basis of support there, and it's interesting that we saw 1562 being the basis of support yesterday early doors before sort of starting to recover again. So we're still seeing that as the potential threat on a near-term basis, given the fact that these momentum indicators on the hourly are still sort of pointing negatively, albeit on a sort of very marginal basis. But ultimately, on the long term, on the daily chart, I'd still say that this is a pretty strong looking chart. Moving averages are all pretty much pointing in the right direction. Momentum indicators a little bit more mixed than they were, but you can see here on a long term basis, gold still seems to be very well set up, and I think that further gains are likely to be seen to retest the 1702 high in due course. It's just a question of how you get there, whether you get another little dip back into the support. I mean, there's huge support now, 1450 area, 1445, 1450, 1460 have been the recent lows. Huge support there, and you might get another dip back towards the sort of mid 1500s area, as I said, which is sort of the neckline area of this breakout, 1553, 1560. So you could see another corrective dip back towards there, which would probably be a buying opportunity once again, around sort of 61.8% and 50% fib. And yeah, so it's interesting that we've seen a sort of a basic moderation of gold, but still looking positive on a long-term basis, a bit clouded on a near-term basis, but we remain positive longer term. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, and you can sign up to our websites, sign up to our webinars on our website. We've got a payrolls webinar, non-farm payrolls webinar tomorrow, and it'll be good to have you there with us. Thank you very much, and I'll speak to you soon.